Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 16. Which of the following is not part of the skin? A. Tear gland, B. Sweat gland, C. Sebaceous gland, D. Malpighian layer, and E. Dermis. Now, like we know that the skin is the largest organ in the body. Skin is the largest organ in the body. Now, this skin is made up of 4 different layers, and skin is the outer covering of the body that helps to protect the body against what harmful environments. Now, this skin is made up of several parts. First of all, the skin is divided into the 2 layers, the epidermis and the dermis. These are the 2 layers of the skin. Now, in the epidermis, you also have other components of the skin, and in the dermis, you have the what and other layer, other parts of the skin. This epidermis is the upper layer, and the dermis is the inner layer of the skin. Now, the skin contains what the sweat gland. It contains the sweat gland. It contains the sebaceous gland, the Malpighian layer. This Malpighian layer is the one that contains what the pigments or the pigmentation of the skin, and then the dermis, that is the inner layer of the skin. The sweat gland is responsible for the production of sweat or secretion of sweat, and sebaceous gland is responsible for the secretion of sebum. That's that oil that helps to lubricate the skin. So all these are components of what the skin. Even the hair follicles. The hair follicle is also what a component of the skin. But option A here says tear gland. Now, tear gland is not a component of the skin, or you cannot find tear gland in the skin. Tear gland is found in the eyes, and another name for tear gland is what we call the lacrimal gland. Now, this tear gland helps to secrete what liquid fluid, which we call tears, that helps to what that helps to clean. It helps to clean or protect the eyes from impurities. It helps to remove impurities. So tear gland is found in the eyes, and so therefore it is not found in the skin, making it the answer to this question. So tear gland is not part of the skin. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.